Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to stop Facebook notifications in Gmail or email. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, you want to open your Facebook app and then log in your account. And then after that, you want to click on these three little lines on the lower right side of your screen. And then scroll down until you see settings. And then click on notifications. So this tutorial might be different from, it really depends on the device that you are using. So let's proceed. Then after you click notification settings, just scroll down until you see other notifications. And then here you can just toggle this switch off if you don't want notifications in your email or push notifications. Just click that, or in your SMS. So if you want to receive notifications in your SMS, just leave that switch on. Then that's how you do it, and I hope this video helps you. And if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.